Today, the first routine I'm gonna start with is the leg squat. I like to do at least 5 to 10 sets, depending on how I'm feeling and how much time I have. Pick a good weight and go from there. Now we bring it over to the hack squat. This became my new favorite machine to use in the gym. I like to start with 1 plate if I'm feeling a little sore, but usually 2 plates, 3, 4, 5, 6. Max out, test your body, push it to the limit, and see what you got. Don't count the sets, just count to see how tired you'll get. When you're tired and only doing 5 reps, then you cut it short and move on to the next routine. Now we on the third routine. I like to do it in this circuit. Squat rack, hack squat, leg press. Same rules apply. Start off with a good weight that you can push, not too easy, but not too hard. And then you take it up plate by plate by plate. Never count the sets, count to see how fatigued you're gonna be. That's how you're gonna get to the next level and continue to grow. Now let's go. Now we're on to the leg extensions. This is one of my favorites. It builds the quad up very nicely and you can go set for set for set. I like to do 10 sets. I like to murder my quads. The last routine will be leg curls, but didn't have enough time today. So we're gonna leave it at this. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe and follow my journey.